Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today, Around the House with Cheryl. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in a collaboration with Miss Cheryl over at Miss Cheryl's Place and Karen over at Karen Jeter, Easy Living with Karen Jeter. And they wanted you to do a holiday unboxing and decorate. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be unboxing. We may not get to the decorate part, but I'll show you what it looks like after I decorate because I don't want to keep you guys too long. But I have this collection of Lennox ornaments, and it's the Grinch. And this one is called, I don't know what he's called. Oh, Grinchy Greetings. So I got him. And I'm going to be reaching over because I got several of these that I'd like to share with you. And I'm going to try to show you each one and how I decorate with them after. And I have had these, I know, let's see. I was trying to see if there was a date somewhere. But anyway, I had them for at least 15 years, I know that much. And this one is called, nope, I don't know what this one's called. Okay, Old Grinchy Claus. Sorry, I keep looking away. But I want to make sure I tell you the name of these. Look at him. All the little toys in his sack. And I keep them in the original boxes that they came in so that they stay nice and secure in my attic. Okay, you know, some people think they have a lot of Christmas stuff because they like say, I got 3 crates of stuff I got to put out. I wish, no, I love Christmas, just like Miss Cheryl. So I got probably about, if I get some of the other stuff in crates, I probably got about 20, 30 crates Christmas stuff. So I love it too. And this one, let's see, with the heart, is a Grinchy Change of Heart. So that's that one. Okay. I have to be, I have to be careful. I don't want to break on any of these while I'm doing my unboxing. So, okay, then we got, this one's called Away with the Tree. Okay, I am back to show you how I decorated with my collection of the Lennox Grinch ornaments and the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer collection. So this is what I put at the bottom. I'm going to open up the cabinet so you can see a little better. So this is the little vignette I created for Rudolph. And I just added some little small miniature Christmas trees. And up here is what I did with the Grinch ornaments. Just placed a few little trees around to fill in. At the top, I had this snowman cookie jar I thrifted, and then if you can see this little gingerbread house, I stuck it there, and that little sleigh I think came from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so now we're going to go over to the other cabinet. Okay, this cabinet I put in some Rudolph figurines and some little trees, and I had this little gingerbread house put in the middle. And up here I put some more Rudolph figurines. I had that little sign, "Believe in the Magic of Christmas," and some little trees. Let me see. And up here I put the rest of my Grinch ornaments. I put that one on the tree. He doesn't stand up alone. And I had another sleigh. And that tree I made a couple years ago. Just threw that up there to fill in. And so yeah, this is how I decorated for this collaboration challenge. I want to thank Miss Cheryl over at Miss Cheryl's Place and Karen over at Easy Living with Karen Jeter for hosting this collaboration. And I hope you will check out the playlist. I will list their channels down below in the description box. And I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments below which little vignette you like the most. So let's take another look.